What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Now today we're talking McLaren 720S, and I was lucky enough to have a 720S myself. At Valvetronic Designs, we offer two different exhaust configurations for the platform. There is the race configuration and there is the sport configuration. In this video, we're going to showcase the difference in sound from those setups. The Valvetronic Design setup with that double X pipe is the best sounding McLaren 720S system on the market, rapidly increasing the velocity to give you a much more motorsport, much more exotic sound out of what is, quite frankly, a very potent platform. In the video, you're going to see the race configuration and you're going to see the sport configuration. Again, the sport is just the rear, it doesn't change the downpipes, and that's just the double X pipe rear section designed to increase the pitch and velocity of the exhaust so you improve the sound experience. For the race configuration, you get the same rear section as the sport, but you're adding the free flow sections, which are going to drastically increase the volume. The cars from factory have this kind of odd whistle you can hear on a factory exhaust system right now. So it's like a high-pitched, like kind of shrieking sound, which is not very exciting or engaging, but the rear section dials that out and just increases the kind of RSR F1 sound. When you do the race system, you'd massively increase the volume. Now, if you're someone like me who was fortunate enough to own one of these cars, I do the race setup because I'm obviously very predisposed to this stuff and I need everything to be super loud. But if you're just looking for a nice sound improvement in terms of quality, but it's not going to be crazy loud, the sport setup is a great way to go. We're going to showcase the difference between the sport and the race setup by doing flybys, revs, hard acceleration, launch control, all the things that you're familiar with from the Valvetronic Designs videos. We're going to put them back to back, so you're going to hear revs for the race setup and then revs for the sport setup. And we're going to go back and forth so that you guys know what the sound difference is between the different offerings for Valvetronic Designs. Obviously, when we put out an exhaust setup, we want to deliver the ultimate experience to enthusiasts. But certain enthusiasts have different parameters for which maybe they don't want to modify the car that much, or they're not looking for it to be so loud. Whatever the configuration that they desire is for their life, we make sure that we can deliver it. So sport is again just the rear, the race is the full setup. We're going to go back and forth, and you guys will know what is the best setup for your McLaren 720S from Valvetronic Designs. Obviously, we know there's a lot of other companies out there, but nothing is going to give you that motorsport F1 sound like the Valvetronic setups. If you have any other question about what might be best for your McLaren 720S or your McLaren as an aggregate, whether you've got an Artura, 570S, 620R, whatever other platform, we're here to help. Please reach out to us at info@valvetronic.com via email, on our website, on our chatbot, or feel free to give us a phone call so we can ensure that you get the perfect exhaust configuration for your needs. For now, I want to hear some sound. I think you guys do too. Let's get to it.